It's really cool to control robots. Whenever you program them, they'll do that once you press play.
Go!
I was working at the Aussiebot station today. It reads colors like black, green, and red. There's a pattern you can make, and one is a U-turn or turbo, and or tornado. It's really cool.
What do you eat?
We built some cool stuff with the marble runs. We learned how to build stuff and work with structures.
We stop and talk about, if you make an error on that, you can fix it, you can try something different. And teaching them it's okay to make those mistakes and it's okay to try again.
I was at the circuits station, and what I learned there is how to connect circuits and make it form into technology, lighting up the lights, making music, and making a fan spin.
They may find out even in fourth grade that they have a gift or a bent towards something, and that might spur them on. So when they get to middle school and they have robotics, maybe robotics is something that they might want to go into. And it just kind of teaches them, there's other things out there and to try something new.